Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can update your Google Chrome browser. So that's been said, let's get started. So if you are using an older version of Google Chrome browser, then you should update your Google Chrome browser. It will fix your security improvement and other bug fixes so that you can enjoy the latest features of Google Chrome browser. To do so, simply open Google Chrome browser and click on this three-dot icon. Then click on settings option. Here it will open Google Chrome setting page, or else you can simply visit this link. Then click on about Chrome, and here it will automatically check for latest version of Google Chrome browser. If there is any updates, it will automatically download and install the update on your system. As you can see here, my Chrome browser is already up to date. So this is a straightforward method to update your Google Chrome browser. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.